Hello friends, let's discuss smoothing and blurring effects in computer vision. We'll discuss 4 techniques today: averaging, Gaussian, median and bilateral. In averaging type of blurring, the average of all other pixels surrounding the middle pixel is computed and the value average is allocated to the central pixel. This is the OpenCV code written to calculate the averaging effect of an image. First, we'll import numpy as np. Then second, we will import cv2, a OpenCV library. In the third line, we will read the input image and store that image into the variable called image. And then you display the original image with the help of cv2.imshow command. Next task is to blur this input image. In order to blur the image, we require different masks. So let us consider, for example, a mask of 3x3. This mask is rotated over our image from left to right and from top to bottom. While rotating the mask, for every iteration, we are computing the average of the pixels into consideration, and the average value is assigned to the central value or central pixel. In order to assign the value to the central pixel, our mask must be of odd dimension. For example, the mask can be of 3x3 dimension or 5x5 dimension, or it can be 7x7 dimension, and so on. Here in OpenCV, np.htag command is used to observe the effects of different masks, and we can compare the results of these masks. The variable blurred will store the blurred image or the smoothened image. We consider first a mask of 3x3. Therefore, we are using the command cv2.blur, and we are passing 2 parameters or 2 arguments to this command. The number 1, the image which is to be blurred, and second, the mask of 3x3 dimension. We can later change the mask dimension to 5x5 or say 15x15. The result of these commands is we are applying the masks of total 3 masks, say 3x3, 5x5 and 15x15, and we are observing the resulting blurred image for the individual mask. This image, blurred image, is stored in the blurred variable, and then we are giving the name for our output image as the averaged image, and we are showing that image with the help of OpenCV command cv2.imshow. Let's run this code. So we'll move to the run and run module. We will save our code. So that's our original image which we wanted to blur. The name is original, and this is the output of the image. In the first image, you will find a mask of 3x3 dimension is applied and the image is distorted or blurred. In the second window, you will observe over here a mask of 7x7 is applied and the image is more blurred, while in the third image, as you can see, with the help of a mask of dimension 15x15, the image is severely blurred and the edges are also softened. So let us compare the original image and the averaged image. In the original image, I can see the details on these leaves as well as on the petals, but here in the average image, the details are little bit diminished. When the mask of 7x7 is considered, the degrading of the image happens and we can see a more blurred image. And finally, when the mask size is increased to 15x15, it computes the average of all the 15 pixels surrounding a neighbor pixel, and the average value is assigned, and therefore we get a severe degradation of the image, and that's the effect of smoothing or blurring. Thank you.